Hi, my name is Charlie Holdermote and today we're going to be doing some cooking on the campfire. So before we get the fire started, I'm just going to introduce you to what I'm going to be cooking today. And we're going to be doing campfire rice pudding. So we're going to be using the method of boiling to cook our rice pudding. And so what I'll do is I've got a pan here. I'll fill it with water and we'll get that on the fire and get that boiling. And we know it's boiling when there's bubbles and there's the steam coming off. And then what I'm going to do is actually, on a campfire, it's actually easier to measure things using cups. So I'm going to use a cup of rice, pop that in, boil it up. And then when it's cooked, so I can just test it and check it's not too hard. When it's cooked, we can drain the water off. And it's really important that we identify an area on our campground where we're doing our forest schools where we can get rid of that water safely and where it's not going to impact the environment. So we'll get rid of our water, we'll drain it off, but we do want to keep a tiny bit of the water just to stop the rice going sticky. And then what we need to do is we need to add a couple of eggs into there, a cup of milk, a couple of sugar, give it a good stir, put it back on the heat and keep stirring till it gets nice and thick. And then your rice pudding's done. You can take it off the heat, obviously using your glove because this metal pan will be very hot. You can ladle it into your bowl and that's when you can start adding your toppings. So I like cinnamon or cocoa powder is really tasty, or again honey and raisins is a lovely yummy alternative. So using boiling to make campfire rice pudding.